Looking at Call of Duty Mobile, that also is at 60 frames per second, so we see that consistency there. And when we look at, of course, Vainglory, we expect to see 120 frames per second, but we don't have it yet. I think that's just because we'll see that with a lot of 120 hertz display devices. Certain games have to be optimized and things like that, but that runs at an efficiency. A 32 megapixel front-facing camera, which does a good job with, of course, your selfies, front-facing photos. That's really nice. And then the Red cameras 12, 8, and 12 gives us the adaptability of the S20 line with some really great images. So we can take, of course, live focus images. We've got the whole array of photos. Even some low-light photography looks really good with what this device has to offer. And that's always nice to see. Now, the other aspect of this.
All right, I am using the camera of the Galaxy S20 FE, outdoors, New York City, using Pro mode, of course, using the microphone off the camera. You get an example of how well it sounds, how it picks up audio, also the video quality, 4K 60 on all cameras, front, back, as well as also in Pro mode. There's no 8K recording, but it's pretty good, man, especially at the price point. Let's take a look at some photos as well.
For at least $100 less. So that's a $600 device that packs in a really solid camera, some really solid speakers, great gaming performance, and a massive battery to boot. Plus, a lot of people like that flat display instead of the curved display, so you've got that, bang for your buck there. Now, if you order a 2